Welcome back, everybody. It's Justin with Justin Sally Art, and we're going to do another cloud pour. This one we used our Liquitex Iridescent Pearl medium, and the colors we used is Prussian Blue, and for eye candy pigments we used Nebula Green and Chameleon. Also, we added an Amsterdam Pearl Violet with our pearlescent medium to create our cloud mix for our paints. And pigments, we mix those 3-to-1, so a little bit thinner on this one. 3 parts Floetrol and 1 part paint with a little water to consistency. We also added a tiny bit of TLP Unicorn in the end, and Liquitex Pthalo Green. So this one came out a little darker than what I expected, but I still got some pretty fantastic results. So I'm going to turn on some music and I'll see you at the end. Well, I'm really liking how this is turning out so far. Got that color shift in the middle and some of the deeper colors around it. So I think this might turn out okay when it dries, but we'll see. It's all an experiment. Definitely trying to go with a darker look and not as much white. But let's go ahead and torch this a little bit, pop some of those bubbles before we start spinning it out, and we'll start working this paint out to the edge and see what we come up with here in the end. Let's start moving some of this paint. I'll go ahead and start some more music so you guys can enjoy this little process.
just the way we are. You know we're all we got. You know we're all we got. We might get dirty, but we brush it off. Right in the night, yeah, we just out for the fun. No, we don't stop until the morning comes. Young and reckless, we just living wild. Make every day count, 'cause we can't help ourselves. You know it's just the way we are. It's just the way we are. You know we're all we got. You know we're all we got. You know it's just the way we are. It's just the way we are. You know we're all we got. You know we're all we got.
So, what do you guys think? I'm pretty pleased with the way it turned out. I'm really excited about the design, and I know those eye candy pigments are going to jump off. Here it is in a dry shot, and you can see how it shifts from pink to green and golds and blue with purple in there. I think it's going to look amazing once we get a sheet of resin on it. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks again for supporting me and joining in. See you next time.